Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to manage your online presence in the IMO app. If you want to control who can see your online status and last seen, this video will guide you through the process easily. First, open the IMO app on your phone. Next, look at the top left corner and tap on the profile icon. Then scroll down and select the option called Security and Privacy. After that, click on the Online Status and Last Seen option. This is where you can decide who can view your activity on IMO. Finally, you will see 4 choices: Everyone, My Contacts, Custom, and Nobody. Choose the option that best fits your preference. Everyone allows anyone to see your status. My Contacts restricts it to your saved contacts. Custom lets you select specific people, and Nobody hides your online presence entirely. Once selected, your preferences will be saved automatically. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.